Have you ever wondered how a screw is made? It all starts in a manufacturing facility like the one you see here, where specialized equipment transforms steel wire into the fasteners we use every day. The process begins with steel wire being fed into a header machine. This machine uses precision dies to form the head of the fastener. In this slowed down view, you can see the metal being shaped under tremendous force. At full production speed, the process happens in a fraction of a second, forming thousands of parts per hour. Once the heading process is complete, the fasteners move down a conveyor. At this stage, they have a finished head, but they still don't have a point or threads. Here you can see some of the dies used to create different head styles and drive recesses. To ensure every part meets specifications, quality control technicians use precision measuring equipment to verify head dimensions and recess depth throughout production. The second step in the process is point forming. Using another set of dies, the tip of the fastener is stamped into shape. In these close-up shots, you can see the dies forming the point as each fastener passes through the machine. For longer screws, a different style of equipment is used, but the principle remains the same. Slowing the footage down gives you a better look at the stamping action as the dies shape the point and advance the fastener through the machine. Here you can also see self-drilling screws as their specialized points are formed. The final manufacturing step is thread rolling. Rather than cutting threads, most screws have their threads rolled into the material using hardened dies. As the fastener passes between the dies, pressure displaces the metal to create strong, precise threads. Depending on the screw size and length, different thread rolling dies are used. In this demonstration, you can see how the two dies work together to form the thread pattern. Here, we're manually feeding a screw through the dies so you can clearly see how the threads are created. Back on the production line, the process happens at an incredibly high speed. The finished screws emerge from the machine and travel up the conveyor. In this example, you can see a Phillips drive drywall screw coming off the line. And here's the finished product: a formed head, a precision point, and fully rolled threads, all created through a series of highly engineered manufacturing processes. The next steps would include heat treating, coating, and plating for specific construction applications. And that's how screws are made.